how to use iCloud Keychain password manager on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So if you have updated your iOS to iOS 18, then you might see that this passwords app has automatically been installed. So this stores all of the passwords. But however, for this, you need to turn on iCloud Keychain. You need to go to your settings, open up your Apple account, and here tap on See All. And then you can find passwords and keychain, and you need to toggle sync this iPhone on. So now passwords will be able to securely store passwords, credit cards, and more in iCloud. You can share your passwords with the people that you trust. So you can just go to the passwords app, open it with your face ID, and you can easily remember your passwords by tapping here. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.